Hey guys, I'm Yeldo. So ever wonder kung paano or what hardware and plugins ang ginagamit ng mga favorite artist ninyo? Don't worry, I'll explain to you the most used vocal recording chain of every pro rappers and singers. Alright, so let's get started. Okay, so ito yung basic structure ng recording chain. First is microphone, second is preamp, and then compressor. So ito yung gears na mostly ginagamit ng mga sikat na pop stars and rappers sa Hollywood these days. Let's start sa mic. Yung mic na mostly ginagamit nila is itong Sony C800G. This is a tube mic. So basically, pinapainit pa nila ito ng 15 to 20 minutes bago gamitin sa recording session. And super known ito for being the go-to choice for pop and hip-hop vocalists. Kasi it's extremely bright and airy but with a warm sound sa may bottom end. Ang gumagamit nito is sila Drake, Future, Don Toliver, 21 Savage, Eminem, Rihanna, Post Malone, and many more countless records by the world's top recording artists. So as you can see, mukha lang siyang mic ng Audio-Technica. Pero ang price na itong Sony C800G is nasa $10,700 or mahigit 500,000 pesos. Very expensive. And if wala ka namang budget pambili ng C800G, meron din naman mga emulations, whether plugins or other brand mics. For me, I like to use the virtual microphone system ng Slate Digital. Meron dito FG800. Emulation ito ng Sony C800G. So using this mic on vocals will give you an instant polished pop sound. Adjust nyo lang yung percentage na gusto ninyo dito sa may intensity slider. Depends on your voice pa rin.
Di nakilala kung sino ba ako. Nakahilera, iniwang abo. Kaya diretso lang bubugato.
So right after the mic is a preamp. So ang ginagawa ng preamp is nagpapataas ng lakas o level ng mahinang signal ng microphone bago ito may record sa interface. So in short, ang preamp ay nag-i-increase ng lakas at linaw ng pagre-record ng boses. And mostly the Neve 1073 ang ginagamit na preamp ng mga sikat na rappers and singers sa Hollywood. Very classic ang 1073. Kinuha kasi nila ito sa board ng Neve 8014 due to its ability to add warmth, depth, and character sa audio recordings thanks to its Mariner transformer. Ang price ng Neve 1073 80 series is nasa $3,000 or mahigit 200,000 pesos. Pero don't worry, we can use na lang yung plug-in emulations ng 1073. So meron tayong Waves Sheps 73. Dati meron akong 1073 ng UAD. Pero ngayon ito Sheps na lang kasi mas affordable and low on CPU kasi ito. So the way I used this in recording is siniset ko itong preamp knob around 30 to 35 lang. Depende pa rin sa voice ng artist. And meron itong 3 bands of EQ and a dedicated high-pass filter para pwede mo i-tweak yung tone until you get it right. I typically adjust the highs and mids lang when recording. Di ako masyado nag-add or nagbo-boost sa my low end kasi pwede ko naman din yan i-cut after sa post.
Di nakilala kung sino ba ako. Nakahilera, iniwang abo. Kaya diretso lang bubugato. Finna make you bounce.
And then meron din mga other emulations ng 1073 just like from Arturia, from Noise Ash, from T-Rax, pero mas trip ko ito gamitin yung Waves version. After the preamp is a compressor which is itong CL1B. So ito talaga yung ultimate combo sa pagre-record ng vocals, Neve 1073 and CL1B. So to dive a little deeper into the reasons why the Neve 1073 and CL1B are so beloved by recording engineers in modern hip-hop and pop music, it's because itong Neve 1073 is merong ability to add warmth and character sa vocals, while yung CL1B naman is a compressor that is designed to control the dynamic range of audio signals. Ang price naman nitong CL1B is $3,900 or mahigit 200,000 pesos. Known itong CL1B kasi for its transparent compression, which means that it can compress audio without adding any unwanted color or distortion sa signal. So itong emulation lang ng soft tube ang gagamitin natin. And then ito yung recording settings ko sa CL1B. Attack is nasa 12 o'clock, release is nasa 2 kasi ayoko na nagpa-pump yung vocals when recording. Tapos ito naka-manual. The output naman is nakadepende sa voice ng artist. The ratio is 2:1, sometimes 3:1. And then dito naman sa threshold is dapat i-adjust mo lang siya na di lalagpas sa meter yung level ng vocal sa -3 up to -5.
Tapos blaze man, habang nalasang. Dito basement, hassle gandilam. Keep it safe, but tama take. Swabe lang ang moves, no mistake. From the west side, dala-dala best vibe. Di ka pa sleek, need mo pa ng guide. Now I'm right, better hide.
So that is it guys, the very famous recording chain for every pro rapper. Sony C800G, Neve 1073, and CL1B. I do hope meron na naman kayong new learnings from this video. So if you love this video, please like or share this video guys and subscribe ka na din sa channel ko. And remember, the perfect vocal chain is the one that you master the most. Learn the inside out and you will know what to use, when to use. Okay, thanks for watching guys. See you again next time. Happy mixing and bye-bye.
Tapos blaze man, habang nalasang. Dito basement, hassle gandilam.